I have, kinks here and there from time to time. And this is the one place that I love to come to. My family asks me, what would you like for your birthday? And I say, gift certificate to Hands-On. That's for me.
There are many things that make us very special. My first thought is our therapists. We attract very professional, experienced, talented individuals. They worry about taking care of their clients and making sure that they feel better and help them get better.
We've been in Commack for over 10 years. For many years, the majority of our sessions were medical massage, but in the last few years we've expanded to spa services and spa parties.
Me and my girlfriends come here and we have spa parties and it is amazing. We love it. We wouldn't go anywhere else.
Hello, my name is Tiffany. I come here for my prenatals and they are amazing.
A lot of people wouldn't know that we are one of the few massage centers on Long Island that offers Ashiatsu, the deepest, most luxurious massage in the world.
What also separates us is we offer a diverse range of services. A couple spa date menu. We offer a beautiful private couple suite. We offer decadent duo sessions. We offer chocolate-covered strawberries. Our spa parties, we offer a beautiful private party room. We do bachelorette parties, birthday parties, little diva parties. They're special, they're unique, they're memorable.
Hands-On Healthcare has a big name over here in Commack, so I'm continuously hearing about them on a day-to-day basis, besides delivering food to them every day.
I would recommend anybody who needs any type of medical or relaxation to come here. You can't go wrong, it's great.
We work with specific protocols, specific conditions such as carpal tunnel syndrome, sciatica, back pain, herniated discs. We offer trigger point therapy, myofascial release.
I was here not too long ago with my husband for a couples massage. We left here, we felt like butter. It was amazing.